Hi, this is Chris, 24K on Instagram, 24K on Twitter, and 24K_lifestyle on TikTok. Today I'm excited to showcase the Equinox 800 by Minelab. This is a metal detector. It has 4 modes: park, field, beach, and gold. We'll go ahead and show you what the screen looks like. This has the English screen cover applied, and now we'll go ahead and turn it on. It's the red button here on the left side. So the first time you get it going, you actually want to pick it up off of the ground and sort of in mid-air like this. You tap on the settings mode, and that is noise cancellation, and you want to go ahead and select yes, and it will do that the first time, and then it's basically ready to go all day. And then we click on this to get it ready to go. Okay, and now you can start searching. See that high tone there? It's saw metal from the headphones right there. And then right here, it shows you how deep. Each down arrow is 2 inches, so that'd be about 4 inches down. And now it's at 0 because there's nothing below it right now. And here's some additional details on assembly. This was actually pretty easy to assemble. It took only a few minutes. You can pause this anytime and take a look. Okay, and now I'll go show you the inside of this even further. Here's all some additional details on how to select modes and what the modes do. Again, you can pause this anytime to take a look. There's a lot to learn with this, but it's also easy for beginners. As you saw that setup, that's all you have to do to get it going. The piece with the screen is attached here, and then you just attach the cable underneath to the back. It charges via USB magnetic cable right there, and it takes about 4 or 5 hours with a standard 1 amp charger, or if you have a 2 amp, it'll charge a little faster. And then as you can see down here, the cord plugs in. They give you all these pieces. It's very easy to set up. I've never set up one of these before, but it only took me a few minutes. Comes in this nice box, and with the Equinox 800, you also get the headphones and a wireless transmitter piece as well if you want that. So this is the Minelab Equinox 800, and now we can go out to the beach or wherever. The park, it's set on park mode number 1, and we can search for things. See, the higher tones means it found something. Of course, that's the headphones right there. Please subscribe to the channel. We appreciate positive comments, and of course, thumbs up. I can't wait to search for gold nuggets with this.